Bluetooth is the name of a technology that enables devices to connect and exchange all kinds of information over the air. When you connect a cell phone to a speaker using Bluetooth, the speaker will automatically play the music for you when you hit play on your phone. Very magical, isn't it? How does this technology do that? All Bluetooth-enabled devices contain two modules, a processor and a radio. A processor converts between complex information and sequences of zeros and ones, and exchanges these number sequences with the radio module. Why does it need to make the conversion? A radio module can only process data that is represented as low and high values. Therefore, a processor has to use a 0 to represent the low value and a 1 for the high value so that a radio can understand the information and start performing its task. A radio transmits and receives data using a medium called a radio wave. Radio waves work just like a rope wave, except it is invisible. When a person shakes a rope at one end, the person on the other end can feel the energy transferred to his hand through the rope. When a radio wave is shaken by the radio module in various frequencies and strengths, it produces low and high values received from the processor. The values then travel through the air until reaching the radio modules in other devices, or the wave energy dies off. Now we are able to explain what exactly happens when your speaker played the music on your cell phone. When both devices are within 10 meters, a Bluetooth connection can be established. The processor and radio in your cell phone will convert the music sound into number sequences and transmit it via radio waves. When the waves are received by the speaker's radio module, its processor, which is the loudspeaker, will convert the data back into its original format for music play. So now you know what Bluetooth is and how it works. But why do you need to care about it? One reason is that due to its easy use, ubiquity, and low power consumption, many people predict that the Bluetooth technology will play a huge role in future smart homes, where everything will eventually be connected and controlled by the host. So having knowledge about Bluetooth will allow you to preview future lifestyles and make the best use of this technology.